policy, ma'am. Hindi mo nakuha yung yung policy ng presidente.
Nakuha ko po, policy
I
maker
was
din po
talking
ako.
about the policy. I take full responsibility yung sinabi ko na war on drugs.
You said,
Pero
sir,
kung
you can hold me responsible for any
specific
death.
crime,
Yes, sir. You spoke
hindi
about
pwede yan.
you spoke about
At
specific
saka,
crimes.
kung sabihin ko, I will take full responsibility, magdating tayo sa korte, hindi naman tatanggapin yan.
Well, Mr. Chair, and if the resource person could keep his volume and pitch to a normal
Mr. Chair, trying
level.
to pin me down on
Mr. Chair, you are pinned down by your own statements
you
of
cannot.
October.
You have to pin me
Mr.
down
Chair.
I'm
not trying to pin you down
lawfully.
on
The exchanges
air.
are no longer productive.
Mr.
The hearing
Chair.
is
Do not pin me
suspended.
down on semantics.
Okay.